In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend lines in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a simple line and then curve it smoothly, just the way you want. First, open the Figma website in your browser. If you're already using the desktop app, that works too. The steps are the same. Once you're in, open the file or page where you want to work. Give the canvas a second to load and make sure you can see the area where you'll be drawing. Next, select the Line tool. You'll find it in the toolbar at the top. It's usually grouped with Shape tools. Click it once to activate it. Now move your cursor onto the canvas, click where you want your line to start and drag to where you want it to end. Release the mouse to place the line. If you want a cleaner look, you can zoom in a bit before you draw, so your placement is precise. With the line selected, it's time to bend it. Look for the bend icon in the toolbar or the on-canvas controls that appear when a line or vector is selected. The icon typically looks like a curved path. Click that bend icon to switch into bending mode. You'll see handles or a control line that lets you adjust the curvature. Click and drag on the line or the handles to curve it. Pull gently for a subtle arc or drag further for a more dramatic curve. If the curve isn't going the direction you want, try grabbing a different handle or dragging from a different point along the line. Keep your eye on the stroke weight and color while you bend. A slightly thicker stroke can make the curve easier to see while you adjust it, and you can always change it back afterward. If something doesn't look right, use undo to step back and try again. Small movements often give you the smoothest results. When you're happy with the curve, release the mouse and click away to see it in context. You can reselect the line at any time, click the bend icon again, and fine-tune the arc to match your layout. Think of it like shaping wire. Gentle, controlled drags are usually best. Finally, preview your design to make sure the curve complements nearby elements. A balanced bend can guide the eye, connect elements elegantly, or add a subtle sense of motion. That's it. Open the Figma website, open your page, draw your line with the Line tool, click the bend icon, and bend it the way you prefer. With a little practice, shaping beautiful curves becomes quick and intuitive.